NordVPN versus Surfshark. Two giants of online privacy. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, NordVPN, global powerhouse for privacy. And on the right, Surfshark, affordable security for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to compare. So, we've got price, speed, security and privacy, server network, device support, features and extras, audits and transparency, and user experience. I know, sounds like a lot, but hey, we'll break it down nice and easy. So let's talk price first. NordVPN isn't exactly cheap, especially once you look at their standard rates, even though you get nice discounts if you pick a long-term plan. Now, Surfshark, this is where it just flexes, honestly. Starting at only $1.99 per month for that 2-year plan, plus you get unlimited device connections. That's wild. Yeah, the price goes up after the promo runs out, which is kind of classic. But overall, Surfshark's the clear winner if you want to save the most. Speed. This one is actually closer than you might expect. NordVPN is known for top-tier speeds. Like, we're talking almost 903 Mbps in some tests. NordLynx, their protocol, is just super slick. There's a tiny drop-off when you're connecting super far away. But for most folks, it's wicked fast. Surfshark, it's right on Nord's tail. Tests show up to 904 Mbps at best. Upload speeds, though, are a bit lower on Surfshark, and you'll notice the dip more when you connect really far. It's still super quick, but NordVPN takes it by a nose. Next up, security and privacy. So, NordVPN is based in Panama. That's a big deal, since it's outside all those privacy alliances like the 14 Eyes. They had a no-logs policy just audited in 2025, and they run RAM-only servers. Oh, and you get that onion over VPN feature that's basically turbo-level privacy. Surfshark's no slouch either. Audited no-logs policy, creative privacy features like alternative ID tools, and RAM-only servers. But here's the kicker. It's based in the Netherlands, which is part of the Nine Eyes Alliance, so the jurisdiction isn't quite as bulletproof. Winner here is definitely NordVPN. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both NordVPN and Surfshark have never had any verified compromise of user data in their history so far? Seriously, that's rare and pretty reassuring. Moving on, server network. NordVPN's just everywhere. Over 7,100 servers in 118 countries. And you get cool specialty servers. Surfshark, you get about 3,200 servers, 100 countries, and whoa, all servers are 10 Gbps, so it's fast. But the numbers don't lie. NordVPN just covers more ground, and that might matter a lot if you want specific locations. Device support is a massive deal, especially if your whole family streams, works, and games. NordVPN lets you have up to 10 devices at once, which sounds solid, until you see Surfshark. Unlimited devices, period. Run it on your fridge, smart TV, grandma's tablet, whatever. Both cover major operating systems. But if you run a big household, Surfshark is honestly unbeatable here. Features and extras. Oh, both these VPNs pack a ton, so bear with me. NordVPN rolls out threat protection, blocks ads, malware, double VPN, obfuscated servers for stealth mode, and a dark web monitor. Surfshark fights back with clean web, alternative ID tools, virtual number add-ons, and even a cookie pop-up blocker. Seriously, at this point, it's pretty much a tie. Both have that Swiss Army knife feel. Time for audits and transparency. NordVPN just had a fresh Deloitte audit in 2025. They're always showing receipts, you know? No drama, just solid independent checks. Surfshark was also audited by Deloitte, but that was back in 2022. No big controversies, but yeah, NordVPN's audit is newer. So if you're ultra cautious about transparency, it's kind of ahead. User experience is, honestly, it's awesome on both sides. NordVPN apps look flashy and modern, and support is 24/7. Surfshark is super clean and intuitive too. Same round-the-clock help, and it feels snappy no matter what device you're on. Really, I can't pick. Both nail it, and you're getting a smooth ride. You can sort of see the strengths now. NordVPN rocks the speed, server coverage, transparency, and deep privacy, while Surfshark wipes the floor with pricing and device flexibility. Features? Total toss-up. User experience, same deal. Here's the honest summary. If you care about fastest speeds, a top privacy jurisdiction, and max server options, NordVPN is probably where you want to go. But if price matters most, or you've got a zillion devices, or you want those unique privacy tools, Surfshark takes the cake. For families and budget shoppers, it just makes sense. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.